Welcome back. This will be hopefully another short and sweet tutorial for the Bash program experimental features. We're dealing with the replaced derive part. Um, Kind of a major thing I've seen missing in Inventor is the ability to replace derived parts. So in this case, we've got our assembly, but that one I may have mentioned is not a part, it's a derived part. So if we open this guy up, we'll find that it's actually made up of an assembly with multiple components. But if I want to replace a part, generally I'll right click and say component replace. But unfortunately, if I want to replace this assembly, I can't unless I delete it and then re-derive a part out. And I thought that's kind of a strange thing missing. So in the batch program, we have a button for that. So when we select our part, so we'll be replacing of the O8, make sure that is selected, and then replace the derived part. This will go through that O8, and you'll see it here. Choose a document to replace the O4. So it's not replacing the O8 because it's going through the O8, finding the derived part, and then asking you to replace that one. So in this case, I'll replace it with this O6, which is something similar. Once that is done, we'll notice here we have O6 has now been replaced. And when we refresh that, we now have a different part. So going back to our main assembly, see that part has actually shrunk down. And same thing, this is still O8, but when we go back through our hierarchy here, let me say select that multi-body parts, we'll see that in the O8, our first derived part is the O6 instead of the O4. So just a quick way to replace that. It makes it a lot easier than having to delete and especially when you have edits beyond the derived part. That really speeds things up. Obviously, make sure that if you're replacing it with something with edits, that you're replacing with a part that has similar parent files. Otherwise, you're going to have to reconfigure all your constraints and your faces and that kind of thing. But hopefully, you find that useful. Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Take care.